Good afternoon, good evening, whoever you're watching from. This is Rahmat once again. It had been a long time. I appreciate all my viewers, my new subscribers. I don't take it for granted. Please keep up. Keep on subscribing, keep on watching, keep on sharing, keep on commenting. Oh, away to 2000k. I don't take it for granted. Your time matters. Guess what? Today's vlog is about all new. A lot of things I'm wondering. Do you know what? I lived here and I found they have planted a lot of bananas and a lot of cassava plantation. Can you imagine? This is amazing. I have to share it with my viewers. Because stay tuned. This happens in the desert. And by the way, it's winter by now. I think you can see the weather is little calm. Saa ziri mmeka wano? Saa ziri 8 naye oyinza okuga nti saa ziri 4. It's really cold. Budde bwa sweater, socks kwesabika. Akalowoozo. In order to survive, I think you can see. Those are palm trees. Binazi? Yes, palm. And that is the garden. They have nice flowers by the, I think, as you can see. Those are flowers. The other side is the cassava plantation we are heading to. They are always supported by irrigation. I was like, wow, what is this? Cassava plantation. But the most important thing, they normally plant that cassava not because of food. They plant it, as you can see, it's not so, it's a sand. Musanyu gwe nyini. It's not a miracle, by the way. This is my first time seeing a big plantation of cassava like this. And pumpkins. This is the irrigation system, as you can see. Yeah, it's automatic. And those are the cassava, as you can see. And sweet potato. And normally they are used for ribs because these people here like too much. They like so much the cassava ribs. And the other side there are goats. Let me zoom. Goats the other side. I can't walk up to that side because I think, wow. Muhogo inzo gani milodalo oli Uganda. These are vegetables. Is it spinach? That is the tree. Guavas. Watermelon. These are cages for vegetables, which they use for salads. And this is the grass here. Wow! Look at the maize. Amazing. I can. This is the grass. They cut it for goats. Abali bakozeko mu kyalo mbimayokera gusala n'ozuwa embuzi ze ziri eri. That side they are goats. Hope I've zoomed enough. Goats there, this is the grass for goats. By the way, farming is practiced on a small scheme here, and the person makes everything available on her farm. Just big land, but you get, for example, in our country you can be having a acre and you have small. Check. This is all cassava, and these are being planted. These are newly planted. They plant them in rows. These are just coming up. This is old. Wonderful. And it is sand. Musanyu. As you can see. Musanyu sitaka. Oh, MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Cassava, even maize. My goodness. Check the maize. Check. I wish they were here. I would have asked them some sugar canes. Oh, this is cassava. The world is now a global market. You can find everything there. Gwali wakangu oyina 5 kwa 5 ogamba bannayiraba ebikajjo. It's so wonderful. I'm surprised because even me, I wish I found them. I would have asked them to give me some maize. MashaAllah. Check. Subhanallah. but I can't go inside. I wonder. Wonderful. Look, check the maize. Subhanallah. The cassava, the sugar cane, they are big, but I don't eat them, I think. This is the sweet potatoes. This is the sweet potato, and that is maize. Yeah, a lot. If people in the desert, sand, they don't see rain, can plant and have nice plants like this. How about us in the countries where we experience two seasons a year? And by the way, Ghana is the only country which has two seasons a year. This is how it looks like. I think you can see even the mango. That was the coconut tree. That is the sun. I think you can see the sun there. I've zoomed a bit. It's the one they use. They mix with manure, then they put on the plants. That is it, and they irrigate. Look at that. A lot have been learned. So guys, farming in the desert is very simple. I think even at home should be simple, by the way. So we are heading to the banana plantations. Guess what? It's a miracle and amazing. How the back of the place looks like. They practice farming on a daily basis throughout the year. I think the color of this maize is yellow, right? And the color of the sweet potato is white inside and red on the only difference between us, kyemanyi nti buli nsi Allah yagitonda ng'erina empoma y'ebintu byayo ebyenjawulo. Lumonde wa wano tawomanga waffe ebintu bya wano byo nga byo. Foods of here, they are a bit salty. Everything here is a bit salty, even if it's sugar. It's a bit salty. It's not sweet like ours in our country. So even the sweet potato is not sweet as such. For fresh cassava, I've not yet tried because I'm not a fan. All in all, they are plants. You still get the same nutrients you get from any fresh food. That is it. I went to Benkedera. That is the coconut. I think it's flowering. This is the irrigation. They have to give them enough water. So, but I think even if in our country, even if we have rain, I think we should even practice irrigation, because in case in the absence of rain, our crops continue. They don't lose, they don't miss anything for better yields. Oh, nice of God. You can ask you why farm and this is how they do it. They construct these places for, as I told you, right? Same places but different kinds of foods and texture. Ebintu byonna bifa kati olaba kana akadde. Ewaffe tutuyita kayayaana. Sagala oli ambuza ate babimanyi kayayaana siyo. Ne bw'omutunywa n'ewaffe tafa kati olaba kana akaddo kana akati kano. Don't think I know about this. Ke kantu ke twakozesanga ofumbisa piraawo oteeka mu piraawo naye bw'okatunuulira esobola okulaga nti bifaanana engeri ebimuli gye bivaayo kyokka naye nga they're bit slight different. We go on the banana. I think wonderful. Check. I don't know whether they plant three. What's this one? Irrigation. During this is bogoya. I think we can see it's like bogoya. Sweet banana. Risotto. bambi bizaala bikyali bito biringa abaana b'e Uganda kati abazaala nga bato. This is the irrigation system. This is the main water supply for cleaning the tap. This is the main water supply. Kino kirabika kye kinnya kye baasima amazzi mwe gava kuba pipe mwe ziva from bambi ebimu byafa. Kati guno omusenyu, this sand, that sand, they mix it with manure and they put on the crops. Of course, this is the main water supply from here to the farm, to the tank, and all the stuff. Those are guavas, orange, guavas, lemon, banana. This is fing. Is it called that? Wow. Amazing. Check. The other side is cassava, in the middle is banana, and this side is for fruits. This is over every kind of crop is here. These are pomegranates. Even you can pick one and eat if you want. Pomegranates. This is the banana skin kateka. Busa buchale buto. Maybe echibatta, they don't know how to weed them. Tebabisalira. Kijja kitya baba bazze nga balina emikolo gye bazze okukolerawo family osinkanirawo. Which means bwe muzze tebabagaana kulya ku bibala bye musanzeewo, tebabagaana kukolerawo kye muba mwagadde buli kimu. But this is a great pleasure for me because these are the kind of videos I like, discovering new things. These are wonders on myself because I've never met them. I see them on TV ever, but I've never reached them personally. That is the mango. I think the most issue here, they don't know how to weed them. They feel like weeding for them. Pruning is for kujaka amatabi. Pruning, they don't prune them. They feel like if they prune, they'll be losing, but it's not. That is not the case. You have to prune. If the rhino bikendezako, so at least like this one is having almost 7. They should be reduced like to 4. It can produce a good yield. This is the fruit in the culture. It's very tasty, by the way. What is it? It's like an apple. I think you can see there. That is the greenhouse where all these trees are first processed. I'll taste it. Oba bagiyita apple nganda. Maye Abaganda mweyagaliza. Means ogiyita apple nganda. It's tasted exactly like an apple. I think you can see even this. Other sugar canes are there. Oh, wow. Which disease is this in our country? Because when I remember one time when I went in my garden, I found my mangoes were like this, but never to put even a single mango. These apples are common here. By the way, these people love their culture, love their esteem. Look at the guavas. But I'm not a fan to start. This is for controlling the bacteria, this one. I think so. In our country, they put alcohol. I don't know here what they put. Whenever I find such a bottle in our country, they just know that it's alcohol. And this is the apple. I think you can. Banango mti guno gubala. Ndebitekako ne munakani wange tugutwalekera gubala. Oza guyinza okuwonya enjala. Allahu akbar. Subhanallah. Gubala olubala. I think you can see. MashaAllah. One thing I like here, emiti gyano tegyeraliikiriza nga namalagala be ebiseera ebisinga bakozesa galya. By the way, I think you can see the cassava down the stem, up the ribs. This is Oman. This is Oman. Those are sugar canes. Natural. Mobile mtanga mulya bya firiza wapi? This is my first time testing this apple. Never have been seeing them, but because of content I tested, but I tested. Amazing. Delicious. Perfect. Those are the bananas still. As you can see, I think the problem is pruning. I've seen 2 types of sugar cane. This is, I think, like a goa. This is how it has been, the farm tour. That is it. It's really amazing. Ibitoke bibyo papari. That is the view of the place. It's like this. That is how it had been. The other side which I haven't gone is for the beach, for the swimming pools and this